The mzFootprint indicator is a powerful tool designed for order flow analysis and detailed market insights, providing traders with advanced visualization of market activity. Footprint display options. The mzFootprint indicator offers several display styles to visualize trade data effectively. Users can choose from different footprint styles like bid-ask, volume, delta, delta percentage, and trades number. These styles allow traders to view various aspects of the market's behavior, including trade volume and buying or selling pressure at specific price levels. Additionally, the cluster style can be adjusted between brick, solid color fill, histogram, partial fill based on values, or none, no color fill. Traders can further fine-tune how clusters are visualized by adjusting the cluster scale, either within the current bar, across the chart, or across all loaded bars. Customization and colorization. The indicator allows for extensive color customizations for clusters. Traders can choose how to color clusters based on volume, delta, or the number of trades. There are multiple color modes available, including solid, saturation, heat map, grayscale heat map, and custom, offering flexibility for visual presentation based on personal preferences or trading strategies. The gradient source can be set to volume, delta, or trades number, adjusting the opacity and gradient of the cluster colors based on those metrics. Support and resistance zones. The mzFootprint indicator automatically identifies support and resistance zones based on imbalances, areas with significant buy or sell activity, and absorptions, where price action is rejected by high volume levels. These zones can be customized with specific filters for volume and consecutive levels, making it easier to spot critical market levels that could indicate potential reversals or areas of consolidation. Imbalances and absorptions. The imbalance feature allows users to detect areas where there is an imbalance between buy and sell orders at adjacent price levels. Imbalances are measured and visualized in percentage terms to highlight areas with significant price action imbalances. These are often areas of interest for potential reversals or breakout points. Similarly, absorptions occur when a price level fails to break despite high trading volume, indicating that the market has rejected further movement in that direction. These absorptions can be used to spot potential reversals when the price fails to break through significant levels. Delta and delta divergence. The indicator provides deep insights into delta, which shows the difference between buy and sell orders at each price level. This helps traders understand whether the market is being driven by buying or selling pressure. Delta divergence can be an essential tool for identifying reversals, as it shows when price action contradicts market sentiment. For example, if the price makes a new high but the delta turns negative, it could signal a potential bearish reversal. Volume and trade analysis. The mzFootprint indicator enables users to track detailed volume profiles for each bar, showing the distribution of buying and selling volume at various price levels. This is useful for identifying high and low volume nodes, which could signify areas of strong support or resistance. Additionally, traders can monitor trade counts and track large trades to identify the activity of institutional players or large market participants. Statistics Grid. The Statistics Grid provides a comprehensive overview of various metrics, including delta, volume, delta percentage, trade counts, and more. This feature helps traders analyze the historical performance of the price bars, including the cumulative delta, the delta rate, and other critical values that influence market trends. Alerts and notifications. The mzFootprint indicator includes an alert system to notify traders of significant market events, such as imbalances, absorptions, and delta divergences. These alerts can be customized to trigger at specific thresholds or price levels, providing real-time updates on potential trade opportunities. Filters and data aggregation. Filters and data aggregation allow traders to control the granularity of displayed data and focus on significant market events or activities. These features are critical for refining the visual representation of market activity to align with specific trading strategies. Conclusion. The mzFootprint indicator is a comprehensive tool for analyzing market order flow and gaining deeper insights into price action. With features like customizable footprints, filters, support and resistance zones, divergence signal, and delta analysis, it equips traders to identify high-probability trading opportunities. By integrating real-time alerts, historical data compatibility, and visual customization, mzFootprint becomes a critical component for traders who rely on precision and data-driven decision-making. It is particularly well-suited for traders looking to enhance their reversal spotting and breakout confirmation. Now that you understand the basics, take some time to set up the mzFootprint indicator on your NinjaTrader 8 platform. Experiment with different filters and settings to see what works best for your trading style. Remember, practice and observation are key to mastering these tools. Learning materials and support. If you want to dive deeper, check out the tutorials playlists on our YouTube channel and indicator guides. You can also join our community forum or contact our support team for personalized assistance. See you in the next videos.